All right, in this video, we're going to make our Pisco sour recipe website. It's going to have two columns, and as a reminder, it's going to look something like this. So we're going to open up our starter code here. This is just going to have some a basic style CSS file and this index file. We already have that open to the right there. And this doesn't have any boilerplate code for us. So the first thing we're going to do is just going to write out some of the basic boilerplate code. So usually you can just copy paste this in from somewhere else. For now, I'll just manually type it out. I'm going to add the Pisco sour recipe to the title of the website. And then we're going to link our style sheet. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the very bottom of the page. Next up is our body tag. And then let's go ahead and put a header. Put this in a header. Do our main footer. We're going to want two columns, so I'm going to use divs to do this. I'm going to make this ID left column. I'm going to make another one, and the ID right column. Left-hand column, I have the ingredients and the directions. I'm going to put this in H1. We're going to put the rest of the unordered list. A bunch of these. I'm just going to copy and paste this in. So I've got one extra one. And now we're going to do the same thing here for directions. So now we have our ingredients, and we have an unordered list, and then we have our directions, and this is also an unordered list. And now it's time to start filling out the column on the right. And we'll tag here. And then this can just be a paragraph. I'm going to add an image for the Pisco sour. Should be it for now. And then let's put this in the footer. Let's see where we're at. This was our original content. All right. So looks like everything is in place. Now we just need to go through and actually format it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is just some general formatting for the body. We're going to make the color of the font just a little bit bigger. We're going to use this text transform, and we're making it all uppercase. And then the other thing we're going to do is we're going to do text spacing. Sorry, letter spacing. Just to make this a little bit more even looking. We're going to use M, which is just a relative font. So this is relative to the size of the body. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add our own Google font. So we're going to go to fonts.google.com. And here you can see there's a bunch of different fonts that you can use that might not come preloaded in HTML. And we're going to use a Pisco font. So to add a font, you just add it here, click on this button, press select the style. And let's see, view your selected families. So this is our selected font family, and then you click on embed, and this will allow us to copy paste in the code we need for this font. And we're just going to post it, copy paste it in our HTML file like we would any other CSS. And that's that. And now we should be able to use the Pisco font. So let's come in here and font family, and we're going to say Pisco. In this case, that doesn't work. We're going to add cursive. So now when we go back to Pisco sour recipe and we click refresh, we should see our nice new font. And there you go. And of course it's blue, so we're getting a little closer to finishing off this page. All right, so now we're just going to add the header and footer sections. And we're going to start off by adding a little padding to the top and the bottom, and to the left and the right. And we're going to add a border 2 pixels wide. We're going to make it solid, and we're going to make it a specific color underneath the 32, 30, 143. Use a quarter radius, and I'll look a little curve on the sides. Do a background color as well, that's a little bit different. And finally, I can make this white. For a semicolon. Starting to look a little bit better, except for our background is obviously not working so well. So let's see. Fix the transparency there. And now let's see if that works. Looks like this is still not coming up as a color. Let's just try this again. All right, so RGBA 32, 30, 143, and 1. Then semicolon. All right. There we go. Moving along, let's make our image. We got it 300 pixels, so there's like, oops. That way it's not overloading the page. We're going to make the main part of our website display flex. This will allow it to size as we go back and forth. And this main, again, is going to hold our two divs, which is one for left column and one for right hand column. So then we're going to define that formatting here. I'm going to first say this width is 60%. That way, when we use a percentage, it will go back and forth in size depending on the browser size. And we're also going to give it just a little bit of padding. We're going to do the same thing with the right-hand column. We're going to make this a width of 40%. Also give it some padding. We're going to give it 30 pixels of padding. All right, so this should be about it for this page. Just double check everything here. Save it, and then click refresh. Yeah, that's about it. I think we can probably make this footer a little bit more pretty. Let's see. I have 200 pixels. Still a little off. Let's see. Center. Let's do that just for the footer. All right, I'd say that looks pretty good overall. All right, so that is the Pisco Sour recipe website with our 2 columns, and as we move it up and down or back and forth, it resizes automatically. All right, so I'll see you on the next lesson.